Here are two new Samsung washer and dryer units, and we're gonna install them today. With the dryer, we're gonna also install the new vent hose instead of this one, and for the washer, the new hoses as well. So the old hoses, here's water spill, I'll need to remove it. The old hoses are rubber, and also recommend to replace them once in 3 years and replace them with these metal hoses. So this is the client's one, and I'm gonna reconnect all this, then test it to make sure everything working correctly. Just another one reason to replace them. It's pretty rusted around the washer, so that's why every 3 years you need to make sure your hoses are new and good. Alright, so here's the both units on their spots. So we're gonna test them shortly, and they both already leveled, so they're not shaking and sit stable.
Issues over there. Good. If there is any leakage or something, I call you again, okay?